Firstly, congratulations both of
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am, sir. My question is to you, ma'am. Like you said, one day, one book approach, right? So were you giving any deadline to you, like within 7 days or something, you need to complete polity? And how were you deciding that deadline? How in how many days you need to complete the particular book?
Right. Time management, as we already said, it's very important in this paper preparation. So, before you start preparing, before you even decide that you're gonna start and you are going to read all this, you have to have your long term and short term goals sorted. For this, I think when the students start preparing, in the first week, he or she must have a broad spectrum goal. For me, it was I would do polity in 1.5 months, and then I'll go for economics, which would take probably 1.5 2 months. Then I'll go for environment, and this is how I approached each and every subject. And for me, it worked this way, but there were students around me who were reading multiple subjects. You can also do this, that once you get bored with one subject, reading us the same subject for 1 month is quite tedious. I also got bored with the subject. So you can switch to some other subject which you find fascinating to entertain yourself, amuse yourself, then come back to the previous subject. But timelines are very important. The timelines must be fixed according to your own awareness. If you are aware with some subject, like for me, I never had to really worry about science part because my background was technical. So I was like it was very convenient for me to leave science for a very small amount of time. Or if I say about history, history is my personal favorite in the whole syllabus. So I did not read history for the sake of reading. I enjoyed history, reading about the dynasties and the country and even the world history. So when I used to get bored, I used to read history. So watch video or see something which is historical. Anything. You can watch even a movie, but something related to history that would also give me a later insight on how something panned out. This could be your way, this was my way, but I think this approach should be very personal. Have your timeline decided, at least the long term goals, how and when you're supposed to start attempting the papers. I used to approach this in a way like once I finished a subject, I used to do papers, then I used to move to next subject. Sectional papers, the like if I finish polity, I'll do polity subjects papers. And then once I finished everything, even before that, once I finished 50%, 60% of my syllabus, I started attempting full length papers of prelims at least, which made me aware that how much weightage I need to give to some subject. If something is left, in what detail I need to cover. If I have a paucity of time, what can I leave, that I do not read some certain topic if it has a lower weightage in the paper. But again, this all needs to be very personal to you, and how you decide would impact more than what I tell you.